All right, guys, so what is up, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you don't know already, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. So at the end of this video, I will have the full audio of me and one of my, I wouldn't even call him a student. I call people my partners, one of my partners. And he is basically, we had a call. So every Sunday I have a plan of attack call. And these plan of attack calls are entrepreneurs just getting in the Zoom meeting, basically planning for the upcoming week. So if you want to be part of this and you want to take part, what I need you to do right now is I need you to go in the description and I need you to join the Telegram chat. If you do not see that link to the Telegram chat, I need you to text me, text me webinar, text me, yo, B, I need to get in the webinar, what's up? Text me right now. I am going to give you guys my number. It is 445-500-9600. Again, 445-500-9600. Text me so that I can send you the link to the webinar so that you can effectively plan your week out with us, okay? So he was actually in this meeting and he was telling me how his goals this week aligned with him being as productive as possible, but we had one outlier and it was phone flipping. And he took my phone flipping course, and right now, this week, as we speak, they are about to announce the new iPhones. And he's having trouble closing deals because people are wanting an astronomical amount of money when they're not worth that anymore. And he was telling me how, man, B, I need to see results, man. I need to see these results because basically he's not just doing this to just be waiting. And I understand that. So as I'm listening to him and I'm hearing him speak, I'm sympathizing with him, but at the same time, I'm searching for a result. I'm searching for, hey, how can we resolve this issue? How can we fix it? And I ended up coming up with the conclusion of, dude, I think flipping phones is good, and that's something that we're going to work on. But right now, let's work as well on flipping electronics. Let's work on flipping electronics too. And he was like, interesting. How can we do that? And I told him, listen, this is what I'll do. I will call you tomorrow, 9:30 a.m., bright and early, and we're going to go on a phone call, and I'm going to actually talk to you about getting products in the store. Now, he was on Zoom. We were face to face. I let him pick the products that he wanted to put in his box. So this is his box right here. Okay, this is his box right here that I'm shipping today, and I'm going to show you guys what is in the box. And then at the end, if you want, you can listen to our full conversation. I just didn't want to put it in the beginning because I know that some people, y'all just want to see what is in the box. And this is going to be on IamHustlersMindset.com. Again, IamHustlersMindset.com is on the top menu bar, and it's called Product Box. Okay, it's called Product Box. The Product Box is basically a box full of electronics that you can actually try and sell. So on MERCARI, eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, all of those platforms, flea markets, you can sell these products and you can see exactly what sells. Now, once you see, okay, you know what, the MagSafe charger, it sells really, really good for me, then you can go to HeatherConnect.com and you can actually purchase this. You can actually purchase this wholesale from me, and it's no drop shipping. It's no coming from China. I actually will have this on your doorstep within 2 days, okay? Within 2 days, I will have all of the products you order to your doorstep. So you're gonna be selling right now on eBay, MERCARI, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and you can go ahead and print the shipping label. And since you have to ship these products within 2 days, you'll have these products in time to be able to ship these to customers. So I want you guys to make as much money as possible. So I wanna actually share this video with you. So grab your popcorn, grab your pen, grab your pad, and let's actually talk about what's in this box. Let's talk about how much revenue is in this box, how he can flip this, how he can turn it around, and better yet, guess what? He has agreed to me on this phone call for us to be able to track his progress. So we will be tracking his progress through videos. Once he gets this, I will be filming another video, and we're gonna track his progress throughout the month to see if these products are actually generating him some type of revenue. So without further ado, let's see what's in this box. Make sure you guys are subscribing. Make sure you guys are following me at Educated__Hustler. And also make sure that you're making money work for you. That's the main point of this video, is making sure the money is working for you. I don't care about nothing else. I want you to make sure that every dollar in your account is working for you. All right, so let's get it. This is what's in the box. All right, I'm gonna move this out the way. Okay, we are going to subscribe to his links. Now he's getting all of this, and I'm gonna tell you guys the price. So I'm gonna tell you guys the price for these items. He is going to be getting these items for only $50, okay? And all of these items are going to be in his box, and he can sell all of these items for whatever he wants, okay? So let me actually, this is USB, this is Type C, USB, that, got that. And if you guys want to build your boxes, let me know. We will always be able to accommodate you. I will have reps on standby no matter what to be able to help you guys. So y'all, these are the products that he's getting out of his box, okay? So we're gonna go over each product, and we're gonna go over why he chose these products. So number one, of course, we're gonna talk about the MagSafe chargers, okay? So the MagSafe chargers, as you guys see, packaging is everything. We are not allowed to sell Apple products online, mostly. Some areas you can, but most areas you can't. So that's why I don't like to chance it, because this can get your account removed. Prime example, MERCARI, Amazon, they will remove your account if you put a Apple product that you're not certified to be selling on there. Therefore, we're gonna play it safe, but this looks exactly how the Apple MagSafe case looks like. The only difference is it has the Apple logo right there. It also has the little seal strip thing right there. And then in the back, look at how beautiful it looks, guys. Look at how beautiful it looks. And then if you wanna actually see what it looks like in real life, it looks like this right here, okay? This right here, I don't know why it keeps getting screws on it because it's magnet, but it looks like this, okay? And it's perfectly fitting on your phone. And guess what, guys? It works tremendously. It fast charges your phone. So him selling this, he can get this literally from Heather Connect. He can get this for about $10, but you can sell these for up to $20. These retail with Apple to $19.99, so I wouldn't sell it for $20. I'd probably sell it for $15, but you're making a good profit off of that. So he got 3 of those. Then he got the iPhone 7 headphones. So these don't have to just be for iPhone 7, of course, but these have the lightning connectors. So the bottom connectors are going to be lightning, so you can use these with your new devices, including iPhone 13, iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max, things of that nature. These are going to be detrimental because a lot of people do not like AirPods like these. A lot of people don't like these. A lot of people actually like these. So you'll be able to sell these easily on a residual with this. Now he can get these on the Connect for about maybe $2 to $2 to $3. I can't remember the exact amount, but y'all see how much we sell them here for. So he can sell that for this price, or he can sell these for $10. Same thing for these. So these are going to be with the 3.5 millimeter jack, and these are ones that are actually the headphones you plug into like an Android or like an old iPhone. And you can use these for like gaming controllers and stuff like that. So these, you can get these for around $1.50 on Heather Connect, or the product box, of course, but you can sell these for around $5, and you're making a good amount of profit if they sell residual. If you keep waking up and you've got 50 sales for these, you're making money. Then last but not least, of course, we are talking about the adapters. So these adapters work wonderfully, of course, because these adapters are the new ones that come with the phones. And of course, again, we're talking about packaging, right? Now in packaging, this looks exactly like, again, the Apple one. The difference is the Apple sign is not here, the Apple logo, but when you open this up, it gives you the same experience. I don't want to open his up, but it gives you the same exact experience as the Apple one would. So I think that this is going to sell. Usually this is one of the biggest sellers for me. This actually sells on MERCARI like hotcakes for $10. So to give you guys an example of what it looks like, it looks just like this. Okay, looks just like this, and it works really, really well. Okay, so I can't wait for him to get that. Now, talking about cords, He didn't want to go with the 6 foot. Instead, he wanted to go with 10 foot because he uses 10 foot. Now, these 10 foot cords are high sellers, of course, because people, they don't want to get up and charge their phones. They want to just be able to sit there and just grab the cord. No matter if they upstairs and they phone, or I said they phone, their outlet downstairs and they upstairs. They want to be able to bring their phone wherever they go. So this is good for if you're in the kitchen or something like that. So these sell really, really good. So these you can get for around $3.50. Sell these for around $7, $8, okay? Then you have the Type-C to Lightning cables. So these pair well with these, okay? Pair well with those. If you put this in a bundle, you're selling this bundle for about $12.50. The whole cost per goods would be around, so with the adapters are around $3.50. The cords are around maybe $2.50. So you're paying around $5.50 of anything, but you're selling these combinations for around what? $13, $14, $15. So you're making a good profit, okay? And then of course you have the USB, good old USB. USB will always be selling because people always need chargers. Always need chargers. I paid my bills, paid my rent, paid everything with chargers my whole entire life. Never will stop. This is an income that I love to get because people will always need chargers. Then of course you got the adapters. These adapters, $150 on Heather Connect. You can sell these for about a standalone. You can sell these for about $5. But if you want to pair that yet again with this, now you're looking at $850, $950. It's a good amount. It's a good amount. It's a good profit. Then you have the car mount. So the car mount, this is something that we're experimenting with this area. We don't know how a car mount sell because car mounts, you can get them anywhere. Five Below, anywhere. So car mounts are not something that I really recommend people selling, but he is going to try this out. So you can get this car mount for around $2.50 on Heather Connect. But guess what? You can sell this for around $5, $6, $7, $8, whatever floats your boat. Okay. Then you have the S6 headphones. These are the headphones that come in Galaxy boxes. These headphones are really, really dope. They stick in your ear. They never come out. They're really reliable. You can get these on Heather Connect for about $2.50. But guess what? You can sell these for around $6 to $8. No problem. Easy. MERCARI, Amazon, OfferUp, any of that, Facebook Marketplace. And then, of course, you have these two adapters, okay? We'll start with this one instead. So these are going to be really, really, really high ticket items with certain people. When it comes to cars, a lot of the old cars, they don't have the USB port. So you want to be able to put this in your cigarette lighter and turn your car into a fast charging mobile. So this allows that to happen. So this, you can get it for around, I believe it is $350, $450 on Heather Connect. But guess what? You can sell this for around $10, $12 just based upon the packaging, y'all. Packaging is superb, okay? And then of course, this is the same thing, just not the cord. And it comes in a different color. We sell that here for $10, but you can sell this for as much as you want. You can get this at Heather Connect for around $3.50. Sell this for around $10 or higher. Honestly, there's no real limitation when it comes to these type of car chargers because you just have to look at your market, your target market, and everyone around you and see exactly how they're pricing it, okay? So guys, this is what's in his box. I'm so excited to actually be able to send this to him. And I want us to stay up to date with his progress. And if you guys want to connect with me to build your box, guess what, guys? You guys have my number now, 445-500-9600. Hit me up and let's start the work. So it's a total of 22 items in this box, guys. So he has 22 items that he'll be able to sell and flip and make a product. So guys, that is the end of the video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys don't already know, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. So I hope you guys take care and continue to make money work for you. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Now I'm getting a shipping label for him. All right, guys, I just got the shipping label for him. So now it's about to be shipped. All right, guys, the label is being printed, man. We are getting my man's package ready.